Hi, this is LingoLab 3.0. I am Mike. Today, we learn about the very important verb to be, ser o estar. Let's start. With be, we can say our names. I am Mike. Profession. I am a teacher. Nationality. Feelings or status. Like other verbs, with be, we can speak in affirmative, negative, or interrogative. Let's start with the affirmative form. I am. I am. You are. You are. He is. He is. She is. She is. It is. It is. We are. We are. They are. They are. For the negative form, just add not. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. We are not. They are not. For the interrogative form or question, just put the verb first and then the subject. Am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Are we? Are they? Well, now let's practice some examples. I am a doctor. I'm a doctor. You are a student. You're a student. He is happy. He's happy. We are friends. We are friends. Negative. I am not a doctor. I'm not a doctor. You are not a teacher. You're not a teacher. He is not happy. He's not happy. Questions. Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Is he happy? Is he happy? Are we friends? Are we friends? All right, this is the end. Great job today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.